Well, talking about Coinbase coming in for Tuna Classic, I don't think it's possible. Although, remember, Coinbase has some coins recently that Coinbase have actually listed, okay? Yes, they've listed these coins, and especially even the C Network, they're working on that. And if I don't think they've already listed C Network. But there are other crypto coins, all coins that Coinbase are planning to list. And they have listed some as of last month, and they are planning to list more. Now, what happens to our Tuna Classic coin? Even though that Tuna Classic is at least top 85 or top 87 crypto coins, but they are yet to make that list of Coinbase. They are yet to get to the database. They are yet to get to the platform. They are yet for Coinbase to accept it. What is going on with Tuna Classic? What does Coinbase see that they refuse to work or partner or list this coin again? But I keep asking this, right? Because even some coin they list that of market cap, Tuna Classic have more higher market cap than these coins. In terms of popularity, Tuna Classic have more popularity than these coins in terms of wallet, in terms of holders. In terms of most things, in terms of social media engagement and followers, Tuna Classic coin have more coins than these coins, but yet they've gotten listed on Coinbase. So what is going on? What is really happening? Because I believe if them listening, adding Tuna Classic will help the coin. Definitely they should do it and see if this coin anything can happen. All we need is exchanges to support Tuna Classic so that people might be able to recover some of the money that they've invested as of last year. Okay, so I don't know, but I still hope Coinbase anything can happen. But right now, no. It's a no for Coinbase, but it's a yes for other crypto coins that must have meet up with whatever the terms and conditions. I don't know how they are doing it, but I definitely know that some of these coins, Tuna Classic, is even more higher in terms of every statistics, in terms of any category you want to check this. So except that is something, but let's keep hoping and watching to see what goes on. And please remember, from now we'll be uploading different ways to make money online. So please, this is the reason why you need to subscribe, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos. Believe me, there's some ways you can make out of $1,000, $3,000 per month doing side jobs, okay? Doing some side jobs. Then these side jobs can really help you to make good money online. This is why you need to stay tuned to our channel. Please, once again, thank you for stopping by.